So I'm going to be installing my Avenger deck onto the 80A Avenger frame. In my last video, I uninstalled the GoPed deck. So all you'll need is the same thing from my last video, which was the 4mm Allen wrench, and then a wrench of your choice, which mine's by script. You can use sockets or adjustable monkey wrenches, whatever you want. So the way I do it is I put the grommet on top of the frame, and then the board goes on top, and then I have the bushing grommet with the washer on the bottom. Now I used to have it the other way around, but when I did that, it would always ruin my bushings, and I would have to get more bushings, because when you tighten your bolt down here, it starts to sink in and stretch the hole in the inside, and then you have to like slide your bushing off to undo the bolt every single time. So now I make sure that the washer is spaced where the bolt's going to sit, so that it has no way of getting pushed into the bushing. And that will go on the bottom, so the bushing goes first, your washer goes second, and then your bolt sits there, and then you tighten it all down. You guys can use thread locker if you want on these bolts. Usually I do, but in this video I won't. What I do first is I get all of them on there and just kind of hand tighten everything, and then once everything's on there, I will tighten everything down. So now that that's on there, I'm just going to tighten everything down until it's secure. In skateboarding, when we tighten our trucks, we go from, like, one of the top bolts will go directly diagonal, and that's how I do with my decks as well. I don't know if it's gonna tighten evenly that way or anything, but that's kind of something we do when we skateboard. Now you can see it's really on there.